With me, we're gonna clean together. Sometimes mopping is a never-ending job. I'm gonna use my clean and tidy mop bucket with the microfiber square pads. This has been a game changer. I'm not just saying that. This is amazing. I don't know how else I can emphasize this, but if you take a look here, we have a clean reservoir. And then on the outside, all the dirty water is going to be sprayed out. So we don't need to keep dipping our mop into the dirty water over and over again. Not really going anywhere. Can you say gerbil wheel? Because when you do that, that is exactly what you're doing. You're just wasting time, you know, with the dirty water. So this is exactly what you need. This is super easy. Also, the top comes right off. And it's got a scrubber right here. So every time you put your mop in and spin it, it's going to scrub off the little residue here. And then when you're done, you would just take this and rinse it right off. Really super easy. I haven't seen anything more convenient. It has a nice little handle. It's very sturdy. And I'm going to show you what this is like, because it's always fun to clean with me. I know most TikTokers here are doing get ready with me. Here, you and me, we're gonna clean together. Get ready to clean together, okay? Okay? Alright. Because it has this little spout here on the bottom, so when you're ready to empty it, you don't have to worry about pouring it all over and making a huge mess. You just release this and put it like in your bathtub or your toilet tank, and you are good to go. Alright, I know I've mentioned this before in my previous video, but these are super easy to attach, and you just throw them into the laundry. Take my word for it. I did that in another video if you want to see what that looks like, but I think you get the point. This is the old mop, so I was using it earlier. The new one, before I didn't have the clean water ready, so that's why that's like that. Now, next thing you want to do is make sure that this little connection is open. That way you can do the spinning action, which pumps up the water from the bottom of the reservoir. And then, when you're mopping, you need to set it again to fixed length. And then just watch the magic as it happens before your very eyes. This is really, really wonderful. I just use, you can use any kind of cleaning solution, but I have some kind of mopping solution in there with some warm water, and that should be okay. I think the manufacturer says not to use hot water. Warm water would be fine. So here it is. All that dirt and grime that it's picking up. And we're gonna go here again, unlock it, and it's gonna get scrubbed right off with that brush. See the brush there? And get a refresh. See what it looks like. And there you go, ready to go again. Some more. Click on. The cool thing about having the square brush versus the round one, it gets into the corners more easily. You can do a lot more with this. You can even clean the walls. You can clean your window. Any number of things. Whatever suits you. And it also rotates 360 degrees. So you're not being constrained in any way. So it is spring. We're all doing our spring cleaning. This is a perfect time to grab this because there is a TikTok spring sale right now. I don't know how long it's going to last. Probably not very long since it says flash sale. But this is exactly what you need. So you can go to the link right here below and get one for yourself.